video from Iceland. Hello. So, I'm trying to figure out how to use this new camera, so bear with me. This is my first vlog entry. This is day 1 in Reykjavik in Iceland. That's the capital city. So, I just arrived here. Oh, let me make something on the right street. Soltun, and it curves to the left. Then I'm supposed to take some alleyway, like over there. But, yeah, I'm using Google Maps walking direction right now. I'm staying at this hotel by the ocean. It's like oceanfront. I believe it's over there, but let me cross over here. So, yeah, it's been interesting getting here. I'm jet lagged. Iceland is only 4 hours ahead of the Eastern Standard Time in the States, but I'm feeling so sleep deprived. I barely slept in the plane. I mean, they brought us good food. I had to eat that lasagna. So, never miss a meal tray on the airplane for overnight flights, people. You'll regret it the next day. Yeah, and then on top of that, I have some injuries or infections, so my finger and my toe. So, taking some medicine for that and just not, feeling my 100%. As you can see, I am walking on the streets. They have really well paved out streets here. They also have these electronic bikes, which I'm going to try to rent if I get tired of walking. But I don't know. I like walking. I'm a total city walker. That's the word. There's a little apartment. I love the color scheme around here. It's just so vibrant. So right now I'm going to the city center in Reykjavik because there's a supermarket there, and all season travelers know best way to get a feel of local culture is go to the local supermarket or local shop. And you also save money because this place is super expensive. Like one meal, for instance, I was looking at this vegan pho place because I love pho, and it was about, like, for the vegan option, like 2,000, I think. Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out the currency exchange here, but yeah, it's equivalent to like $16 US, which actually is not that much to think about it, because where I live in DC, it's pretty much that rate everywhere, if not more. So based on that, it's about the same cost of living here. But for other cities, if you're from like some of the more cheaper, affordable, economical places around the states, this would be too expensive. Got a budget. So I'm going to the supermarket. And I also want to do my hair. I want to get a haircut. It's my birthday week. And I also want to exchange currency. Not want to, I need to. So I read good reviews about a bank that's in that super center that's going to help with the best exchange rates in the city. So worth the walk. About 1 hour round trip, but we'll see. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for day 2 when I hike the volcano. It is an active volcano, and it's supposed to be a moderate intensity hike, but let's see. Good thing is it's not raining tomorrow. It's supposed to rain like every other day I'm here this week in Iceland, so thank goodness for that. But stay tuned for day 2 of my vlog. I might update later. Please don't be rude. We'll see. Thanks for watching.